Explore the top 25 manufacturing business ideas that could skyrocket your income this year. 1. Smart home devices manufacturing. With the rise of smart technology, there's a huge demand for innovative devices that can make our homes more efficient and convenient. The possibilities are endless in this growing market, from smart thermostats to security cameras. 2. Sustainable packaging solutions. As consumers become more eco-conscious, there's a pressing need for sustainable packaging options. From biodegradable plastics to reusable containers, this sector offers a whole world of possibilities waiting to be explored. 3. Personalized clothing manufacturing. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all fashion. In 2024, consumers crave personalized clothing options that reflect their unique style and personality. Consider starting a business that allows customers to create their own custom garments. 3D printing services. The world of 3D printing is only getting bigger, and there's a huge demand for businesses that can provide high-quality printing services. Whether you're making prototypes or creating custom products, this is a trend that's here to stay. Health and wellness products. With more people focusing on their health and well-being, a growing market for products supporting a healthy lifestyle is growing. From supplements to fitness equipment, there's plenty of room for innovation in this sector. Tech accessories. Manufacturing. As technology continues to dominate our lives, there's a huge demand for accessories that can enhance our devices. Think phone cases, laptop stands, and wireless chargers. The possibilities are endless in this fast-paced market. Pet products manufacturing. Our furry friends deserve the best, and there's a huge market for high-quality pet products. From gourmet treats to luxurious beds, this sector has plenty of room for creativity and innovation. Custom furniture manufacturing. Forget mass-produced furniture. In 2024, consumers are looking for unique, custom pieces that reflect their personal style. Consider starting a business that offers bespoke furniture options for a truly one-of-a-kind home. Beauty and skincare products. With the rise of self-care and skincare routines, there's a massive demand for beauty products that deliver results. Consider starting a business that offers natural, cruelty-free products that cater to the modern consumer. Eco-friendly cleaning products. As more people become aware of the impact of traditional cleaning products on the environment, there's a growing demand for eco-friendly alternatives. Consider starting a business that offers sustainable, non-toxic cleaning solutions for a greener home. Smart kitchen appliances. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and in 2024, consumers are looking for appliances that can make their cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. Consider starting a business that offers smart kitchen gadgets like air fryers, smart ovens, and connected coffee makers. Outdoor adventure gear. With the rise of outdoor activities like hiking, camping, and biking, there's a huge demand for high-quality adventure gear. From durable backpacks to weather-resistant tents, there's plenty of room for innovation in this exciting sector. Educational toys and games. As parents become more invested in their children's education, there's a growing market for toys and games that encourage learning and development. From STEM kits to educational board games, there's a whole world of possibilities waiting to be explored. Personalized tech accessories. In a world of mass-produced tech accessories, there's a growing demand for personalized options that allow individuals to express their unique style. Consider starting a business that offers custom phone cases, laptop sleeves, and more for a truly personalized tech experience.